The iQOO's latest smartphone called iQOO Z9s is now official in India, with 5G support, and it is a slightly downgraded version of the iQOO Z9s Pro smartphone. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the iQOO Z9s smartphone. The iQOO Z9s features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the iQOO Z9s sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75 by 7.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 182 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9s has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 23,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 29th, in titanium matte and onyx green color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z9s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.